And I believe Mr. Brijesh Singh has also joined us. We have about 12-13 minutes left. Let's get Brijesh Ji into the conversation. Namaste, sir. A very warm welcome. Record high left, right, and center. How are you navigating markets today? And maybe one or two stock ideas that you can share for tomorrow.
So good afternoon, Shilji and Sakshi. See, overall market trend has been positive. Nothing much to say about. We are trading at a day high. Nifty, if I talk about, still stream has been left 24,300, 24,400 and 350 will be the first hurdle to watch about, and if we are able to cross, then 24,490 or 24,500 will be coming in the play. Regarding the support has been considered, then 23,900 followed by 23,600 and 700 will be the level to watch on the downside. But I don't think 23,900 should come down. We are inching towards the higher side. Regarding the banking index has been considered, trend has been positive. On the higher side, the resistance lies again 53,150, 53,250, and if we are able to cross that, then the next level to watch would be 53,600 mark. Regarding with the support has been considered, then 52,200, 52,300 would be the level to watch on the downside. If we are breaking that, then 51,900 would be coming in the way, but I don't think 52,200 should break. Regarding few stocks where the trend has been positive, I'll start with cement stock. Ambuja Cements look promising. 695 around the stock has been trading. It's for a short-term trading. It's not for the BTSA. It's just a short-term trading with the holding time for 2 to 4 days. So current rate can be used to go long with the stop loss of 677. Play for the target of 725 to 728. Second stocks where I have seen a short covering with the increase in the volume. Nice on our hourly chart. It has formed the bullish engulfing candlesticks. Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, HAL, 5,399, somewhere around 5,400, we can say another one. With the stop loss of 5,150, go for a buy side and play for the target of 5,600. And another stock where the buying is seeing is Ramco Cement. The overall structure is looking positive for a very short term. That is being considered. Current rate can be used to go long 855 with a strict stop loss of 825 before the target of 900. All the three stocks time frame will be 2 to 4 trading session.
Okay. Brijesh Ji, cement stocks is what I wanted to discuss with you. It's a buzz all across Grasim, Ultratech, ACC, Ambuja. The entire space seems to be back in action. How are you looking at the momentum that's being built up again on the cement space after a small pause?
So if you remember, I was bullish on Ultratech Cement, and I have already said that this stock has been promising. 11,900 it has been quoting. Anything above closing above 12,000, the stock again can move up to say 600 or 700 rupees. So the next level to watch would be 12,600 and 700 on the higher side, where the support is been considered. It should not break 11,500 for the trading is been considered. And as I have told, two stocks which I have given on the trading bed. So cement is definitely on charging right now, you can say, for that trader flavor, you can say.
Okay. How about the PSU names? The public sector enterprises index is back up at the high point of the day, about 0.5% increase. And I can see stocks like REC rallying sharply, 5% up right now. You have Power Finance Corporation up 4%. Of course, the other stocks are defense and a mixture of gas stocks too. But the entire space within the PSU pack, where are you looking?
So REC and PFC both are looking promising. So if I talk about the pattern which they have been moving in, still after being seen a correction and after seeing after seeing a profit booking, the stocks again have started moving up. If I talk about the PFC. Stock, if it, for a shorter term trend has been considered, it should not break 485 and we can see stock jumping back to the level of 530, 535 in a shorter term time frame. I mean to say in a week time frame. If I talk about REC, stock continuously has been moving. If I look out the hourly chart from last 7 or 8 candlesticks, when the stock was been trading somewhere around 525 around, we have seen stock jumping back towards the resistance zone of 560 around, but still the trend is not weakened. It still can move up on the higher side. Now the 540 around or 5 if it comes, if we see some profit booking at 540 around, if it comes, then one can go for a long side with a stop loss of 525, and then again look for the target of 575 to 580 in a 1 month time frame. It can move up to the level of 600 plus also.
Let's look at the markets actually. At the moment, we'll mark the record highs that have come in on fairly smart volumes. That will give you an idea where money is moving in. Of course, Garden Reach up 10%, limit up. Very strong volumes, 2309. Mahanagar Gas 10% up, 1756. Policy Bazaar. I'm surprised. It's also up 10%, 1542. Remember, we started marking this one at 1437 in the morning. And you've seen a 100 rupee rally. Even from then on, I remember it was distinctly up 3-4%. So that's a very sharp move coming in. From the auto space, we have JBM Auto going great guns, 7% higher to 196. Patanjali, there is some news flow expected on this one, 6.5% higher, 1694. And of course, you have stocks like RECL, which Sakshi has just marked. And of course, you have ACC also doing fantastically well as far as prices are concerned. Remember, these are top gainers, and Brijesh ji marked 2 cement counters, which he finds very attractive on charts, Ramco as well as Ambuja Cement. What else is moving? Let's look at the volume busters as far as price rise and a fresh move is coming in. Let me mark Castrol India, Sakshi. We generally don't discuss this stock, but is again deep value MNC, 8% higher, 217, and 1 crore 94 lakh shares have been traded, which are 4.5 times the daily volume. Again, names that we don't track, CRISIL, 4% higher, 1,39,000 shares, 3 times the 10-day average. Blue Dart, 2% higher, 8135, 3 times the average.
Absolutely. Fantastic moves on that one. Even in the winners and the losers list, Shell, Wockhardt Pharma is now hit a 20% circuit. Remember, we had discussed this stock early in the morning, and certain circuit filter was revised for this one. And there has been also roto pumps that's up 20%. This is something that we had marked in the morning too. Then apart from
20s today.
Yes, Atul Auto. Remember, we had touched that one. So another 20% uptick for this one as well. Beyond this, Surya Lakshmi Cotton is up 19%. Allied Digital is up 19%. Subros is up 18%. Indocount Industries is up 17%. Iron Exchange India is up 15%. There's a whole host of moves. So you can see Man Industries up almost 14%. PTC India is up 12%. Godrej Agrovet. Such wide variety of stocks, and all of them are buzz with all the action right there. Let's get in Brijesh ji. Brijesh ji, broader markets, there's so much action happening, and all of these stocks like 10-20% higher. What is the sense that you're getting from this kind of sharp move, and are you tracking or chasing any of the momentum here?
See, no doubt, all these stocks what we have been talking about, they might be in the lower mid-cap stocks or the small cap. Right now, the small cap is in the flavor. But don't get carried away. Always try to stick towards the good stocks, technically as well as fundamentally. And try to, whenever you have been trading, try to stick with the trade with the strict stop loss. a few stocks what you have been discussed, like Subro charts looking fantastic, 756 around has been trading with a volume breakout it has been given. So for a very short term trend, it's been considered 710, 720 is a support. If it doesn't break, then we can see stock jumping towards the level of 820, 840 in a month time. It still look promising, no doubt. On the shorter term time frame, it is still trading below the longer term moving average, but the trend indicates that it might try to touch 4,570, 4,600 band, and if it doesn't break 4,300, that is where the support lies. It can be kept as a stop loss and it can move up to the level of 4,600. Policy Bazaar stock has touched the resistance zone, but still with the volume it indicates that it can further move upside. 1,440 around the support lies, and if it crosses 1,560, then the next resistance zone lies at 610, 620. So there's all these three counters look promising, and one can look around it.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Brijesh ji, for being with us on the show and sharing all those insights. We're just